You tell me. Where is the bubble?
Okay, everything is broken as always. Okay, how do we do this? So we have this table of files. We just make another table with thumbnails, right? So go up, go down. Okay. Take this, create table, files, thumbnails, update it. So what kind of sizes do we want to make? Let's see what we have in the app. So in the app, What is this now? 200 wide? $400 wide. I think that's it, right? Well, also here I have 200. Now we need to think about 3x, 2x, blah blah blah. I have to do 1600. Let's do this 4, right? It's not blob. It's called byte. Okay, so we need to just generate this a bunch of times, and then on delete cascade. I pressed something wrong. Of course, everything is gonna break. Amazing. Amazing, everything is broken. Great. Int 4. Files ID on delete cascade. Okay, create trigger. Before update on files for each row. So returns trigger so does this work? Let's try it. So what we want to do is for each row before update, yeah. Um, trigger functions. Create function, return trigger. What? Oh, begin and end. Okay. Error function file, because drop trigger. Delete trigger on files. Alter table drop trigger, I guess. Drop trigger name on table. Drop trigger name on table. Okay, cool. Give me a sec. Okay, slightly different plan. So initially I wanted to create a trigger that if a file is updated, if this is updated or inserted or whatever, we were going to make we're going to delete all the templates, all the previews. Eight megabytes, okay. But now I wanna instead just hash files. So we're gonna delete this. We're gonna say alter. Okay, first let's do undo quickly. Alter table files, add colon. Always as blob stored. What is 64 bytes? Okay, let's do function does not exist. Create function. No, okay, so we need to make it create function. Returns byte as language SQL immutable. Returns null on null input. How do we make hash in Postgres? Not clear, huh? Select. What functions do we have? I don't think we have hash. Hmac. Postgres calculate hash. Here. Is it in one of the extensions? No. It's just there. We don't need to have. Oh, 5 to 1, I said. Okay. Blobble. Who said blobble? Am I 64 of not blob hash okay, so this works. Then when we do it other way, right, not null, octet length file equal 64. Okay, and then what we need to do is what? That's it, right? So and then drop this table. Okay, apply. Okay. Then undo and apply. Okay, so now in our files table we should have a hash. Okay, and what we're going to do is to select all files select all files where we want to select all files that do not have a preview. Okay, let's make sure. So select star from files, thumbnails, thumbnails. Alex says, why do you need hashes? If someone changes the file, all the thumbnails would be invalid. So we want to select from files outer join. Why doesn't it not understand that I have new table? Please. And f sha equal what? T dot file sha. Is this correct? I never know if it's correct. Left outer join. No. What? Oh, where B is no. I want to select this, right? So this is already would have a cache hash. Left join where B is null. So we want ID, mime, and blob. File ID, m mime, and f blob. 182, and we have total 182 files. Interesting. Okay, I think this is correct. So this is the one, and we need to not forget what to do not forget to remove old thumbnails. Okay, so this makes sense a little bit. Can we decode file like this? ID mime blob, okay. Print images, return 0. Let's see what will happen if we run this. Are we running this somewhere? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so we selected a bunch of files. Let's just say limit 10. We just do 10 files to start. Why 10? I don't know. For file in files, do something, and we return file count. How do you do this in Swift? I don't know. No, let's not do this. Let's also not do that. Does not conform to protocol decodable because foundation is not important. Okay. let's run, see if this works. Okay, it works. Okay, so image would be well, let's do something like resized. What do we do with the ones that are failing? That's the question. How do we make sure if we have a bunch of failing images that we do not keep generating them forever? I guess we create like a fake thumbnail. No, we can do original. Let's also for ourselves to know if something is not working right. Mainly. Okay, we'll do this. Do we even need this? I don't think I need this. Thumbnails is do. Okay, like this. And then this would be basically this stuff, right? Well, this stuff. A bunch of this. Right, because this is all blah blah blah, blah blah blah. This comes from file. We either want error or this. So then this is not implemented for now. Okay, so once we have thumbnails, right? Well, we have to switch what it is. And what it is going to be, if it's a success, it's something like this. If it's failure, it's something like this, and also like this. And now we can throw return failure not implemented. Okay. If we run this now, right, everything will crash, obviously. But if we implement the failure, what will happen? We will insert a bunch of errors. That's it. Do we have updated thing on here? Yeah, okay. Oh, we can just do updated very long time ago. Instead of saving error, we can just try every day, I don't know. Okay, so when it's an error, we need to do what? So first of all, here's our Postgres. Does it need to be in a transaction? No. For now, not. To do. No to do. Well, to do. This just loops without transactions and will break if there are multiple instances. So we might want to port this onto some kind of queue, later. Okay, but for now it's fine, right? So the work is this. Okay, and then when it's a failure, we're going to try await pg execute query, right? And the query is like this, so we don't have multiple thumbnails per file. Insert into files thumbnails error, right? Values this to JSONB, Defy error failure. Okay. Okay, now we need to insert this too. File SHA and error on conflict file ID, do update, set file SHA-512 equal file ID is work ID, file ID, work, no, entry ID, entry SHA-512, this, right? Okay, for this file with this hash, this is an error. If there is an error, if there is already a thing, we just do this. Okay, and this is null, data 0. Okay. Error or success. Constraint this, check this. Error is null, or is there XOR in SQL? Okay, so no. Num nulls, is it called? Equal 4. num underscore nulls. Num underscore, so this is, if error is null, none of them are 0, or error is not null, and this is 4. Okay. Yeah, so if error is null, then none of them are null. If error is not null, then all of them are null. Okay, cool. So then we don't need to do this. I'm also curious what is going to happen when I have this value referenced twice. Is it going to be serialized twice? Or does it understand that this is the same value? Doesn't matter. Okay, if we run this now, we should get a bunch of errors, right? Bomb. Error is of type JSONB, but expression is of type text. Okay. Okay, we can also check our query now. So, okay, I'm gonna restart this because for some reason it doesn't. What did I click yes to? I sure wanna click. So there should be a bunch of errors now. Yeah. Okay, this is really nice. I like this. Okay, so, and we also want to do here retries. So we can do t is null, or t dot updated minus 1 day something now, right? We can always do this. So there is either not, we can do it like this. We'll just say no preview, or it failed a while ago, or t dot error is not null and t updated now transaction timestamp minus t updated is more than 1 day. Can I say that? Can we just run this? transaction timestamp. Is it a function? It is a function. Limit more. If we don't do limit, how many? We should do one less than 182. Okay, perfect. Okay, that's nice. Oh, I like this. Okay. Simple and does a bunch of things that we want. Okay, but now actually let's do resizing. I don't know why did I pick these numbers. This is just random numbers. Like I'm sure width 200 is not used anywhere. 200 pixel. What is 200 pixel on a phone? Wait, let's switch to the app and do like a Why is my iPhone simulator booting when it's right here? How is this reasonable? Okay, so we want to do a rect angle How is this here? I didn't import it. Yeah, exactly. Those are not pixels. So what is going to be so how, because we have like, so 200 pixels is like 2x or something, right? So I think we have like a circle. How do I know pixels? How can I render pixels? Is there just like pixel density or something? Yeah, so 200 will be So this will be something like okay. Pixels 200. Static member cannot be used. Screen scale to get this X. Screen scale. What is screen scale? Oh, I forgot to do divided by pixel density. Points per pixel. PPP. Okay. Okay, Xcode is broken. That's amazing. Love it. Okay, so if we believe this, this is what it will be, right? So we need at least like 600 pixels. And if we do points, doesn't make sense. So this is kind of like our. Okay, so that 5 doesn't make sense. Okay, maybe this makes sense. Well, it should be 600, right? Okay, so this is kind of making sense, right? So the smallest is 400? I guess so. What is the iPhone resolution? Y14? What is the latest? 18? 1200. So 36 pixels? No. 1200 pixels, right? I think this should be okay. Okay. Four, 8, 12, 6. 4, 8, 12. Okay. Okay, so this is instead of implemented, resize work. Oh, wait, PG, execute discarding result, same thing. Insert into. Well, basically it's the same, right? It's the same query except the other way around. But instead of error, we're inserting this. Width 800, width 1200, width 1600, values, entry, This is going to be null. This is going to be same. So resized 400, 1600. So they're making AI into, but can we have this autocomplete maybe? That would be more useful. 4, 8, 12, 16. Okay. This should work already. Okay. Well, we need to implement this, but let's make more errors. Let's make everything an error, right? That's fun. Where is my finished running server? Why? What? Wait. What happened? Run it. Where is the stuff? Okay, binds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 binds. Why are there 5 binds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it is 4 binds. What? Where? Column width 1200 does not exist. 4, 8, 12, 16. Did we break it? Yes. Yes, we break it. Everything is broken. Maybe we should also like log failures. We'll see failures. Ooh. More errors? Cool. Cool. Boop. How do I edit this? Interesting. Okay, I'll make coffee. Time is it? 3. 288 to 3.x. Eugene is not maintaining this, huh? Threads. Okay. What we were doing? Oh yeah, resizing. Okay, now let's actually resize something. What if Postgres throws? Then the whole thing crashes. That's not nice. Maybe we shouldn't. Should we not throw? We'll restart it. Docker will restart it, it's fine. It's fine. Also nice, I open Safari window, I focus Safari window in a different screen, and it is focusing window on screens that I'm not using. That's super nice. That is super nice. Okay. So what should we be doing? So image, first of all, image is can we just do throws? Because we can do like wrap or something, or init, right? Switch result like this, right? And then this could be throws failure. And if we just say throws, call can throw. Yes, it can. Trailing closure in this context is confusable with the body. Nah, I don't know if it's really true what she's saying, but sure. But sure. What is this failure? Yeah, okay, so that's any error. But if I say throws failure, this should be normal then. Okay, apparently we cannot do that. Sure. Just do this. Why do I want to do that? I don't know. Okay. What is wrong? Resize actual. Invalid conversion. What? Why? Where? Of thrown error type. Any error to failure. But it's not any error, it's failure. Why so impossible? Why is it any error? I don't understand at all. Why does it not say you have to return? Which is very strange. Now the question is, whatever. Return. Let's just do this for now. Well, no. Okay. Eight. 1200, 1600. Do we need to do this? Okay, so this should be it. Um, up, new error. Perfect. Well, let's do that part, I guess. Um, mm, 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 mm. It's not make sense at all. I don't know if this makes sense. Let's see what happens. What happens is we're not gonna compile. It's amazing. Why is it not here? So spec is width 400 and dimension is width 400. Height. No, that's not correct. That's obviously not correct. Need to run the tests for this. Hey, cranberry wine. Merhaba. What is wrong? Cannot convert value. Yes, that's what I'm saying. Let's say Sip time. Dot dimensions. Okay, I'll just rename it calculate. Oh, it's not public. Oh, okay. Current width. Okay, this should maybe work. Maybe not. Who knows? Who knows? Okay, but can you run this test or no? Value of optional must be unwrapped. What is this? Oh, I changed text to be optional. Can we see all errors immediately? Okay, let's see. Do we get 4 by 3? No, of course not. We're gonna get like million by 300, 30,000. Okay. Well, I mean, maybe it's like this. Okay, and if we have something like, if it was 4 by 3, and we want 4 by 4 or something. No, it was 4 by 4. Oh. But what I want is not this at all. that's not at all what we really want. What kind of resizing do we want? So you upload an image and we want to resize as the one. So okay, the thing is that depending on the type of image you upload, right, we want different resizing. That's the thing. So okay, can we not have ads, please? Like I have 3 ads. Is this normal? So let's say you upload an image like this, and it's like 300 by 750, whatever, right? And we want to resize it so it's 400 wide. So when we say that it's 400 wide, and you give us an image 300 by 750, right? What do we expect? We expect 400. Man, that's tough. Like you would have 400 by something. Like most of it will be black. It will be like this, right? It will be like this, is what it will be. But how large is the 750? Stupid math everywhere. Annoying. So like this would be 400, right? This would be, I don't know what. And we actually want to like have more information. Like we actually want to give you a canvas size is what we want. Right? And then you fit your image however it fits. That's what we want. Okay. You know what? This is not implemented. This is not implemented. It's all deprecated. This is just deleted. Okay, just 2. No, wait. Okay, you're right. No. So there is just scale in canvas. Okay. So this will multiply each dimension by factor. And this will fit image keeping its aspect ratio into the given box, keeping its aspect ratio, right? That's what we want. We don't want anything else. Okay. This is crazy. So this is all doesn't matter. Right, the only thing that matters is this: we have a canvas of 4x3. Right? And it gives back the size of the image. returns the size of the image, not canvas background. So this would be like a canvas background, and this would be like actual image. Again, confusing stuff. What's the error? So we take an image's largest dimension and we scale it to canvas's largest dimension, and then we scale the other image's dimension by the ratio. Okay, 750. Okay, I don't want a screenshot. 750. So we have 300 divided by 750. That's the ratio, right? 0.4. Okay. 0.4. And then we say 750 times 0.4 is 300. 300, and 400 times 0.4 is 160. That's what we want to produce, I think. And then the rest is going to be black, which is black. Amazing. I mean, it's fine, we'll do it. Okay, so first of all, this is not gonna work. Okay. First of all, this is not working. Okay. So largest dimension is largest dimension if width is more than height, is width is true, and then current width, otherwise false current height. Okay. So then we calculate the ratio, and we said we divide canvas height, canvas width, it's image height. So ratio is canvas whatever is deleted by pixels. And then if it's width, then canvas width, otherwise canvas height. And we need to double everything again. Okay. Yeah, exactly. Whatever. Let's delete. I need to mix some Turkish also. But I only know 3 words, literally. So image width times ratio, right? And image height times ratio. But it's not that simple because we need to double stuff. So first of all, this is double, okay? And of course that one is double. Yeah, sure. Everything is double. We love it. Why is it not single? I don't know. Why is it called double and the other one called float? I don't know. Why is it called half, double, and float? This is half and this is double and this is float. Is it called float 8? No. Single? No. It's called half, right? Oh, it's not called anything. It's not existing. Okay. Okay. Ratio V is man. A scale by ratio. What's wrong? Is missing labels or what? A num scale cannot be used as. No. You don't get it. It's to be image.scale. Swift20.scale. Okay, I'll rename it. I'll name it scale int. Are you less confused now? Okay, I'll do it. I'll convert it to float. It's fine. I'll do it. I'll scale int Okay, I'll do it. What is factor? Factor is double. Okay, sure. Annoying. Oh, there's float 16. Why is everything always double all the time? Everything defaulting to double. What is wrong with this? Why did I do this? Why don't I just do double? Okay, fine. I don't know why everything has to be double, but okay. Okay, what is the numbers we're getting? What is the numbers we're getting? The numbers we're getting are not compiled. 120, 300, 160, 300. Did I correctly calculate it? Well, height should definitely be 300. 160? 120. So it's like almost 3 times. No, it's definitely 160. Am I wrong? If I divide... Oh, wait, maybe I'm dividing 400. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. So ratio is canvas of canvas. If it's width, then canvas width. If it's height, it's canvas height divided by pixels, which is image width or image height. If image width is larger than height, that seems correct. Okay, let's take a look. Image is 3 by 75. Canvas is 4 by 3. Okay, so we're gonna have false 75 here. Width is false, pixel 75. So ratio, oh, yeah, should be 0.4 we calculated, right? 0.4. Now, if I multiply 300 by 0.4, I get 120, like I said. Okay. But if I do 120 times 3, no. 2.5. 120 times 2.5. Okay. Kinda. Okay. So this is also not correct. And then we return scaled 0 clamp between one and canvas width and scaled 1 clamp between 1 and canvas height. I think this is good. This is good? I think it's good, right? I'm fine with this. But the question is, now we need to do it. Okay, let's first run the test because we broke a lot. Everything is broken. Look at this. Amazing. Why did everything break? There is only 26 errors. It works to sequential. I broke something really, really hard, man. Oh, I think I changed expected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 got nothingness. Okay, I think I broke HTTP server by changing HTTP client. Okay, sure, I'll run it. Get. Okay, what's broken? Empty string and got. Okay. Okay, I am annoyed. Hey, thanks. That's exactly where my breakpoint is. Very nice. Why is it not working? Bytes? Buffer? Counts? No. Counts? No. String from buffer? Okay. Jump to definition. How can I like... of course I can't. Why am I even asking? But I see there like... Oh, there is nothing. It's an empty... What? But why did it... Client post with text. What does the server do? This is something else that I... No, I didn't make this. Okay, I make this. I was like, I didn't make this. It was something else, right? Okay. But what is response 1? And why is it not... Okay. Buffer use. Maybe that's why. Oh, maybe that's why. Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why. No, but that's nothing to do with the client. What is this? Okay. Why is it empty? Hey, for some reason, that is not good. Like, are they all empty? What did I change that broke it? Maybe. Okay, let's try this. I don't think so, but let's see. It's just empty. But it's empty from like here. Like this is empty. But it's also other tests are passing. Like this is working. So why is this not working? Because it also does like client get and whatever post. Maybe I forgot to like send it. I think this is broken. Just go there, please. I think this is broken. I don't think I'm sending this. Oh. Well, good we got it. Good we have tests, right? That's not bad. Okay, what did I want to do? Oh, I was like, let's just run some tests, blah, blah, blah. Can you run tests? No. What? Everything is broken because it's broken. Just a little bit broken. Just a little bit. We only have 4 trillions. We can't be expected to make it working. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, that's good. Stick. Yeah, that's fine. Again, 100,000 days to years is a lot. Is okay. That's a lot. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, because this is public. This is public. Okay. This is fine. So this is what we just fixed. It's a little bit tricky, but okay. Okay, some tests. I don't know if I want to text. What am I gonna do if it's yeah. What am I gonna do if it's not decoding as text? Well, you either throw, or you return null, or you return empty string, and you're not gonna. I don't like either. Well, maybe. Okay. So this is also in progress. Fix. Oh, one thing I want to check. Okay, whatever. Fix post stb resize. Fix post stb resize and something else and service protocol, whatever. I want to check if tests failed here as well, because they should have. Yeah, it failed. I need to set up that it emails me. I'll be back. Oh, I am accidentally showing my WhatsApp. Leaked. Why is it opening on this screen? Okay, okay. What do you want, Toby? Will you Lope or what? Okay, I think I need to go for a walk. Or actually, maybe it's enough for today. I'll be back tomorrow. Okay, bye. Dino dance.